Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today, this is day 5 of me opening up a box a day for the Pixar. Before we get started, I just wanted to show off one of the cards that I picked up the other day. This is 23 out of 100. It is a woody red refractive, I don't know, glitter sparkle. I don't know. And one of these that I picked up the other day too is this is embroidered card. So you can see the cheese is embroidered, and so is Remy. And yeah, so this is one of the beautiful cards you can get out of the boxes. So just wanted to show some of the cards that you are able to get. Since we haven't pulled anything good yet, so but anyways, got the mascot here. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below so you can be entered in the giveaway that at the end of the week I will be giving away some cards, a pack of cards to everybody, to the first 5 people, and some cards. So yeah, I'll be doing a duck race at the end of the week, so hopefully you will comment down below and join us. And maybe win something good. Maybe a gold card. Hey, maybe a Woody. I mean, he's in there somewhere. Alright, here we go. We are on day 5. And again, you can go to my website, Plush, Games, and More. And I will... Oh, look at that. We finally pulled a winner box. What I was saying, you can go to my website, plushgamesandmore.com, and pick you up some Pixar boxes if you want. Holy cow, we finally pulled a winner card. I will leave it back there so everyone can see it. Now, what that means is there is a numbered card either here or something good in here. So we will save this for last. We'll let my little friend hold him. And it's too heavy for him. I just crushed my little friend. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally picked up a winner box. Took a whole 5 days, right? Here we go. We are bound to find something good now. Well, we have to. It's guaranteed. So there we go. First card. Ooh, we have a Nemo 3D. Well, it's not really a 3D, but kind of looks 3D. It is a movie moment that says, "I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine." Well, I'm kind of like a mindless eating machine, so I guess I'm not a nice shark. And we have a Jack. Alright, let's shuffle these packs around. Hopefully we'll find a good card. Nope. We have Dory, and we have a Carl. What is next? What are we going to get out of these? We have a Bob Parr, the checklist, and Remy and Emily. If you're watching on TikTok, come join me on YouTube so you can join the giveaway. All you have to do is comment, subscribe, like, and I drop the pack. I'm all nervous from getting this winner, finally. So, yeah. Oh, we got a Hall of Fame card. Holy cow. There was only 50 of these cards available. This is 28 out of 50. Look at that. We have a Hall of Fame. I forget what they're called. They got a weird name. But it's a Hall of Fame. It's a double. You can see it's a double the size of the normal card. There is the normal card. There is the Hall of Fame card. And there is a cheapo Pokemon card. Oh yeah, let me put him aside so I can bag him up. So that's what we got. We have a nice Hall of Fame We have Aliens and Helen Parr. Maybe we can get a gold card out of here too. It'd be double lucky. Day 5 is our lucky day, or my lucky day. What is next? Let's see. Well, this pack is not cooperating here. Get out of there. Ooh, we have a 3D Buzz Lightyear. I said I couldn't find any of these. I haven't seen any of these. And now I've pulled like 4 or 5. So that's what happens when you open your mouth, right? All of a sudden they just start flying at you. But yeah, it's a really sweet Buzz 3D card. And we have a May. But yeah, I was not expecting that. I believe that card comes out every like 4 cases, I believe. There's Jesse and Joe Gardner. So it's a really, really special card. What is next? Oh, we have another Incredibles. I think we got one or yesterday. He's gonna get him eventually. I gotta stop playing with my cards, right? That one did not want to come out. And Jack. And last pack. Then we have the encase to go through. But I was not expecting that. That is a super rare card. Worth around $400 or $500. Maylin Lee. And we have Remy and Emily. And let's see what we have for the encased cards. I'm making a mess over here. I was so happy about the card. I just made a mess. Oh, nice. We have a film cell of Brave. Look at that. Let's see if I can get a nice picture of it. There you go. That's a sweet card. Nice. Anyways, we went a little bit long today. I hope you enjoyed the video. We finally pulled a winner box. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to comment so you can join in on the giveaway by the end of the week. Don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Take care, everybody. Bye.